How to make a ringtone on iPhone. If you want to turn any song or sound into a custom iPhone ringtone for free, here's exactly how to do it step by step. Step 1. If you don't have it yet, open the App Store and search for GarageBand. It's free and required for ringtone creation. Step 2. Launch GarageBand, swipe until you see Audio Recorder, then tap it. Once it loads, tap the Tracks View button in the top left. Step 3. Tap the loop icon in the top right. Go to Files and import the song or sound you want. Step 4. Tap and drag the audio to the timeline. Ringtones must be 30 seconds or less. Step 5. Tap the arrow in the top left, choose My Songs, then hold down on your project, and tap Share, Ringtone, give it a name, then tap Export. Step 6. After export, tap Use Sound As, then choose Standard Ringtone, Text Tone, or Assign to Contact. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.